Alright, here's my package for the casing for my new phone, which is a Samsung Galaxy A51. I already scratched out all the information that I can't let anyone see, just in case they hack it. Not saying anybody would, but anyway, I already cut the packaging. Let's see what we got. Yes, I'm pretty sure I did not look at it yet. I gotta hand sanitize it after. Samsung Galaxy A51, slim design, corner protection, antimicrobial protection. Some more information right there. Some more information. I don't care if you see anything on the box. Let's open this up. 1 second. Okay. Anything else in the box? No. Oh, yep, there's something in the box. I'll take a look at the phone case in a minute. Oh, wait, I guess there is nothing in the box. Okay, so let's take a look at the phone case. It's very nice. It's gonna look good with the phone. I need to wipe it down a little bit. Thanks for watching.